Steps to install a SQL Server 2022 download setup. From Microsoft official site, free MS 2022 SQL Server developer version. As of DES 2022, only 2022 SQL Server Developer Edition is available to download free in this site. From this page, scroll down to get to 2022 MS SQL Server. As below, please note that 2022 version in this site is a trial version for 180 days. Click Download Now and choose for Windows version in the next window, or download SQL Server 2022 Developer Edition directly. After downloaded, run the execute file and follow the basic installation type steps. You can choose custom as well. Make sure you have enough space as specified. It's going to take a while for installation to get complete. Sit back and relax. Now click Customize to set up an instance. And don't close the window. Click Accept Next until installation type. Chose Perform a new installation of SQL Server 2022. Then next here, don't pick Azure extension for SQL Server. If needed in the future, it can be set up later. Chose Database Engine Services. Then Next. Name your instance, then Next, just Next. Add current user, then Next until installation complete. After completing the setup of SQL Server 2022, install SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS, from the below window. If the window closed, go to https://learn.microsoft.com/SQL download SQL Server Management Studio SSMS. Below page will open in your browser. When you click on Download SQL Server Management Studio 18.12.1 link, .exe file will be downloaded. RMB on the file and run as administrator. Install it. If you encounter a fatal error like the window below, restart your computer and reinstall SSMS again. After installing, restart computer, then open SSMS from Start menu options. Fill in the server details on the SQL Server Management Studio.